Today we'll continue with the 7th lesson in chapter 4, divide with 0 or 1. And what we're going to do today, we'll continue solving these questions, then we will move to the next page to solve live problems. Oh, you answer this question. What is the page, Marwan? Marwan. Okay, what's the page, my heroes? Yes, 195. Thank you, Marwan. Thank you, everyone. Okay, my heroes, open your books. Thank you, Marwan. You can mute your mic. Okay. Before we start, I will ask a question. What is 7 divided by 1? If you know the answer, just raise your hand. Abdulaziz?
Yes, teacher. 7 divided 1 equal 7 because 7 multiply 1 equal 7.
Excellent, Abdulaziz. Thank you.
Teacher, I want to answer, okay?
Okay, safe, but when I call you, you can answer. 4 divided by 0.
Okay.
4 divided by 0. If you know the answer, just raise your hand. Ahmed?
Please answer, my name is Sif.
Safe, do not use your mic without permission. Ahmed?
You cannot divide by 0.
Excellent. We cannot divide by 0. So, cannot be done. This one cannot be done. You cannot do it. Thank you, Ahmed. You cannot divide by 0. Okay, my heroes. Now, let's go back to these questions in the book. And we solved yesterday question 8. So, today we start with question number 9. Let's go. Tamim?
Yes, teacher.
Go ahead.
5 divide 1 equal 5 because if we multiply 1 multiply 5
Yes.
equal 5.
Excellent. Thank you, my hero. Khalid Shredi?
Yes, teacher.
Go ahead.
0 divided by 7 equals 0.
Excellent.
Anything divided by 1
Radi?
or 0 equals the same number.
Okay, thank you,
But
Khalid.
0 is not the same. Just 0. Just to give the 0.
0 divided by any number equals 0. Thank you. Radai? Radai?
Yes, teacher.
Go ahead.
Yes, teacher. 4 divided 4 equals 16.
Oh, no. This is divide, not multiply.
2.
4 divided by 4 equals 2? So, you mean that 2 times 4 equals 4?
No.
Okay, so what is 4 divided by 4? Any number divided by itself equals?
4.
You mean 4 divided by 4 equals 4? Okay, I will ask you, this 4
No.
multiplied by what number equals 4?
What is the base?
Khalid Walid, you have a note.
1.
Yes, excellent.
1.
So, 4 divided by 4 equals 1. Thank you, Radai. And Khalid Walid, of course, you see my screen. You don't need to ask. And do not interrupt us again. You have a note. Safe? Safe? Safe?
Yes, teacher.
Go ahead.
Ask teacher, did you call me?
Teacher, did you call me?
Yes, Safe. Go ahead.
Which number? 5 divided by
You're
1.
wasting time, Safe. Go ahead.
Which question number? Ask teacher which question number.
15 divided by 1 equals 15.
Again?
50 divided by 1
5,
equals
not
15.
15.
Yes, thank you. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Safe. Okay, the next question. Abdullah Juma. Abdullah Juma.
Yes, teacher.
Go ahead.
4 divided by 8 equals
What?
8. Wait, what? 4 divided by 4
What for?
equals 8.
Do you see my screen?
Yes.
It's 0 divided by 6. What is 0 divided by 6? Abdullah. Okay, I cannot hear you, Abdullah.
Equals 0.
Yes, thank you, Abdullah. Ali Janubi.
Yes, teacher. 24 divided by 24 equals 1.
Yes, of course, because if you divide any number by itself, you get 1. Thank you, Ali. Abdurrahman Abu Dagga. Abdurrahman Abu Dagga. Ali Abdul Hadi.
Yes, teacher.
Go ahead, Ali.
2 divided equal to 1.
Excellent. 2 divided by 1 equals 2. Thank you, my hero. Abdurrahman Ayman.
Yes, teacher. 6. 60
Yes, question number 16.
divided by 12 equals 0. 0 divided by 12 equals 0.
Excellent, Abdurrahman. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Abdullah Dosari.
Abdullah Dusri is sick.
Okay. I hope he gets well soon, inshallah. Hassan Sultan. Hassan Sultan.
Yes, teacher.
Go ahead, Hassan. 8 divided by what number equals 1?
8 divided by 8 equals 1.
Excellent, my hero. Thank you. Tamim. Oh, okay.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Tamim, go ahead.
4 divide 1 equal 4. Complete. Divide 1 equal 3.
Four is greater
Four.
than or less than 3?
4 greater.
4 is greater than 3. Thank you, my hero. Anas Al-Halafawi?
Yes, teacher.
Go ahead.
0 divide 6 and 0 divide 9. 0 divide 6 equals 0. And 0 divide 9 equals 0. So it's equal.
Excellent, Anas. I like your answer. Thank you, my hero. Thank you, my hero. Tamim, you are using your mic.
Teacher, I want to answer.
Okay, do not use your mic, Hassan. Ahmed Al-Hajji? Ahmed Al-Hajji?
Yes.
Okay, Ahmed, go ahead.
There 0.
Yes, 0 divided by 5.
7 divided by 1.
Okay, what is 0 divided by 5?
What?
Go ahead, Ahmed. What is 0 divided by 5?
0.
And what is 7 divided by 1?
7.
So, 0 is greater than or less than 7?
Less than.
Less than. Thank you. Great work, Ahmed. Ibrahim? Ibrahim? Hassan
Yes,
Sam?
teacher.
Okay, Ibrahim, go ahead. Read the question.
There are 2 rocks.
Each mousetrap has 1 cheese block on it.
Mousetrap has 1 cheese block.
How many? How many mousetraps are there? Okay, so you have 2 cheese blocks, and each mousetrap has 1 cheese block.
Yeah.
Okay, how many? Yes. Excellent. Can you tell me the division equation?
2 divided.
2 divided by 1 equals.
1 equals 2.
Okay, thank you, my hero. Hassan Sam?
You're welcome.
Hassan Sam?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Hassan. Go ahead.
Your friend says 40 divided by 0 and 0 divided by 4 both equal. Both equal 0. Is your friend correct? Explain.
Okay, so 14. Yes, go ahead. I'm listening.
14 divided by 0 equals 0. And 0 we cannot divide. So 0.
Are you sure? You said 14 divided by 0 equals 0? And 0 divided by 14 cannot be done?
It is 0.
Okay, so again, which one is 0 and which one cannot be done?
14 divided by 0 can be done, and
Yes,
0
exactly. So
divided by 14 cannot be done.
what? Both cannot be done? Both of them? Okay, so your answer is no.
No!
Okay, what is 0 divided by 14?
0.
Okay, and what is 14 divided by 0?
0.
Also? If it's 0, so the answer should be yes, not no. Can you divide by 0? Hassan, this one cannot be done. 14 divided by 0 cannot be done. So they are not the same. This one cannot be done. You cannot do it. You cannot divide by 0. Okay, Hassan?
Okay.
Okay, my heroes. Now we need to move to the next page. Please finish writing quickly. And now let's move to the next page. We have this example, and for this example I will use this page. A clown shares 10 balloons equally with 10 children. How many balloons does each child receive? So we have 10 balloons in all, and we divide them to 10 children. So 10 divided by 10. What is 10 divided by 10, my heroes?
100. 1
1 or 100?
100.
No, Anas. If you divide by any number by itself, you get 1. 10 times 1 equals 10. So the answer is 1. Each child receives 1 balloon. Okay, now let's go back to the book. And is there anyone writing?
No. No. Me, teacher Abdurrahman Ayman.
Okay. Abdurrahman, the division equation is 10 divided by 10 equals 1. And the answer is 1. Now, my heroes, let's solve these questions. Anas Ahmad? Anas Tamim?
Yes, teacher.
Go ahead.
You have 9 tokens. You need 1 token to play an arcade game. How many games can you play? 10 games. 9 games.
Excellent. Can you explain why?
Because 9 divided by 1 equal 1. Equal 9.
Equals 9. So 9 games. Excellent, my hero. So in this question, my heroes, you have 9 tokens in all, and you need 1 token to play 1 game. So you divide the 9 by 1 to find how many games you can play. So you can play 9 games. Any problems?
No.
Khalid Sehlawi?
Yes, teacher.
Go ahead. Khalid Sehlawi.
Yes, teacher.
Go ahead, read the question.
You have 9 quarters. You put 5 of them in your backpack. You divide the other quarters equally among 4 friends. How many quarters does each friend get? I put 5 of them in your backpack. 4 divided 4 equals 1.
Excellent. Wow, I like your answer. But you should tell us why it's 4 divided by 4.
You put 5 of them in your backpack.
So we subtract 5.
Yes.
And now we have 4 quarters left.
Yes.
So we share only 4 quarters.
Yeah.
That's why it's 4 divided by 4. And 4 divided by 4 equals 1. So each friend gets 1 quarter. So each friend gets 1 quarter. Thank you, my hero. Great work. Okay. Please finish writing quickly, my heroes.
I have finished all the page.
Great.
Teacher, I didn't finish.
Okay, I'm waiting. Quickly, my hero. Okay. So let's see question 25. Ahmed Abu Zir.
You ask your friend question. What is 475 divided by 475? Your friend say 1. How does your friend solve the problem so quickly? Explain.
Okay, so you ask your friend and his answer was quick answer. He says 1 directly. Why?
Because when we dividing when we divide the same divided and divisor, same, the answer is.
You mean the same divided and divisor? The answer should be 1. So when we divide any number by itself, we get 1.
It's 1.
Excellent. And this is good reason, because here we can see that this is a rule. Any number divided by itself is 1. And of course, Ahmed, this is except one number. You cannot divide it by itself to get 1. Except what number? What is the number that you cannot divide it by itself?
Only 0.
Only 0. Excellent, Ahmed. So only 0, you cannot divide it by itself. Any other number, if you divide it by itself, you get 1. Thank you, Ahmed. Great work. Okay, my heroes, any problems? Any questions? Okay, now I'll send to you.
Teacher. No.
Okay, I will not erase it.
I didn't finish.
Go ahead.
I didn't finish.
And after that, I'll send to you the link of the game. Go ahead, my heroes. Okay, now let's start. 0 divided by 10 equals 0.
Teacher, how?
What?
It is how not can do it.
Oh, you cannot divide by
zero.
0. But you can divide 0 by any number. 0 divided any number equals 0.
If I put the 10, place the
Yes, if you change the order, 10 divided 0 cannot be done.
10.
Okay.
Now I got it.
20 divided by 1 equals 20. 72 divided by 72, any number divided by itself, equals 1. 4 divided by 0, this one cannot be done. You cannot do it. Here compare 0 divided by 4 and 0 divided by 7. 0 divided 4 equals 0 and 0 divided 7 also is 0. So, equal. There are 3 cheese blocks. Each mousetrap has 1 cheese block on it. How many mousetraps are there? So we divide 3 by 1. 3 divided by 1 equals 3. Okay, my heroes, any problems? Any questions? Okay, thank you, my heroes. This is the end of our session. See you next week, and goodbye.
Bye, teacher.
Goodbye, my heroes.